Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this very exciting video of algebraic challenging equations, we'll be solving here degree 4 polynomial equation x power 4 plus 5x square times x plus 1 equal to 6 times x plus 1 whole square. I am going to showcase two different methods. First one is using expansion and second one is using substitution. So let's get started by writing first method, which is method of expansion. Let me expand both sides. X power 4 plus 5x cube plus 5x square minus, let me write x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. I expanded x plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay. Now I will write individual terms after expansion. Plus 5x square minus 6x square minus 12x minus 6 equal to 0. Now 5 I will write at two places. 5 is there. I will write 6 minus 1. So I will write x power 4 plus 6x cube minus x cube. This is 5x cube. Similarly, I will write 5x square as 6x square minus x square. This is called trick or manipulation. Minus 6x square as it is unchanged. Now minus 12x, I will write minus 6x minus 6x. Now you have to only identify, like I have considered x power 4, then I have to consider 6x cube, then I have to consider 6x square. Let me write here x power 4 6x cube plus 6x square. Now done. What is left? Minus x cube. I am taking second time or second bracket. Minus 6x square and minus 6x. Let me write here minus x cube minus 6x square minus 6x. What is left? I am double underlining it. So left is minus x square minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. Now from first three terms, I am going to take x common. Here I am going to take minus x common. Here I am going to take minus 1 common. Okay. So what we'll have after that, let us see. I will write x in bracket. It would be, let me take x square common. X square plus 6x plus 6. Observe this bracket. Now I'll take minus x common. X square plus 6x plus 6. Now I'll take minus 1 common. X square plus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. Now you can see x square plus 6x plus 6 is common for this expression or equation. X square plus 6x plus 6 I will take completely outside. What is left? X square minus x minus 1. Now this question is quite simple. Two equations we will form quadratic equations. So let me write. So if this product is 0, that means x square plus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is I will call equation number 1. And equation number 2 is x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. These are two quadratic equations. Let's solve. Let me write the first equation, which is x square plus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. Let's apply quadratic formula. Let me write the second equation here. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Let's solve simultaneously. Minus b, minus 6 plus minus square root of b square, 6 square 36, minus 4ab, 4 times 6, 24. divided by 2a. So 2. It will give us minus 6 plus minus root 12 over 2. I will write 12 as 4 times 3. So I can write 2 root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 plus minus root 3. So two real solutions we have calculated. Now let's find out here what we are getting. X is equal to minus b. So 1 plus minus square root of b square 1 minus 4ac plus 4 divided by 2. Then I will write 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. So here we are having again two real solutions. So there are total 4. This is method number 1. Now let's take the simplest method using substitution. Let me write method number 2. Here I am going to consider x square is equal to a and x plus 1 equal to b. Now see what will happen after that. Our equation will be a power 2 plus means a square. A is x square, so whole square, that will create x power 4. 5ab equal to 6b square. This is our substitution. Let me write all the terms to left hand side. So I will write a square plus 5ab minus 6b square equal to 0. Okay, now I will split 5ab as 6ab minus ab minus 6b square equal to 0. Now from first two term we can take a common. So what is left? A plus 6b. And from second two terms, the last two terms, I will take minus b common out. So a plus 6b equal to 0. Okay. So in totality, I will take a plus 6b common. So we will have factors a plus 6b and a minus b, that would be equal to 0. All right. Now put back the value of a and b. So I will write, let me put the value of a. So I will write x square plus 6b. So b is x plus 1. So I will write 6x plus 6. Done. Same equation is forming. A minus b. So I will write x square in place of a. B is x plus 1. So minus sign. So both we are having minus sign. Same equations, identical equations. So we will get same results. So let me write here. I am not going to solve both the quadratics. I will directly write because we have already solved it. So from here we have already calculated 3 minus 3 plus minus root 3. This is solution of this quadratic equation. Now second quadratic equation you will have again solution, that is 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. Okay, this is how we will find out solutions. I am pretty sure that you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video.